Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be coming to you with a fall boot essential video. As you can tell, the weather's getting a whole lot colder, especially here in New York. Your legs are freezing. You better not be wearing sandals anymore because that's crazy. But hey, to each their own, do as you please. So I have about 7 pairs of boots, and they are like my essential boots when it comes to the fall season. You will see me rocking these boots at every single moment, some more than others. Others are probably more of like a night out. And my boot collection is actually still growing. So aside from the pairs I have now, I definitely plan on getting more. So before we get started with this video, if you like my look here today, I really beat my face today. Like, I really went all out. So if you love this look, most likely my tutorial for this makeup look is already up. I will link it somewhere up here, and I will also have it down in the description below. You can check it out. It's my first ever tutorial here on YouTube. It went pretty well, so most likely I plan on doing a whole lot more, and so go give that video some love. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. And if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, make sure to click that subscribe button down below. Join the family, you know, let's connect. And yeah, so why don't we just get right into the video. So my first essential pair of boots for this fall / winter season is the most basic pair of boots that I feel like everybody has. And if you don't have one, you don't have to get these exact pair of boots, but there are so many knockoff versions that actually are just as good. So Uggs. Yo, you see that? That's dust. So these are my Uggs. I've had these Uggs for about a year now. I got them last Christmas as a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and they are so comfortable. And I feel like, no, okay, I was about to say these are the first pair of Uggs I've owned. No, these are the second pair of Uggs I've ever owned. The first pair were all black, and they had like little like bows behind them, and then I ruined those. And these ones, I feel like I'm on the verge of ruining them too, but so far they're holding up pretty nicely. I have been rocking these for the past 2 weeks straight, mainly because it's been really cold, and especially for the job I'm at now, which I'm actually about to leave soon because, you know, gotta level up out here. These are by far the most comfortable shoes ever, especially if you have to be on your feet all day, and that's pretty much me, on my feet all day. These are extremely comfortable. They're just like this. They're really worn out, so not really much to show. Next, my next pair of boots are like real, like you from New York, like you know these. You know, every time you walk down the street, there's at least 10 people with these pair of, you know, little boots on, and that are Timbs. These are the ultimate New York boots. Everybody in New York probably got a pair of Timbs, and I got these, wow, I got these a long time ago. When I say a long, I literally mean a long time ago. I think about like 3, maybe 4 years ago, and they're still holding up really nicely. Last year, I think I went on to a pumpkin patch or a farm or something like that with these, and they got so dirty, like so dirty, and I'm still in the process of like cleaning them, only because I haven't worn them ever since. I want them in I seen like a burgundy pair of Timbs, and they are so beautiful. Like, when I say beautiful, they are so beautiful. So I want the burgundy pair, and I wanted an all white pair of Timbs, but apparently that's kind of crazy, and especially since I can't even keep these clean, so how can I keep a, you know, white pair of Timbs clean? So, oh well. So these are what Timbs look like. If you don't know what Timbs look like, they are extremely heavy. They're an extremely heavy pair of shoes. Like, it honestly feels like you're wearing bricks sometimes, but they're really cute. I got these ones from Journeys, and then I got my Uggs, I think, from like Nordstrom or something like that. But you could find Uggs anywhere, like Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Von Mar, Journeys. I think Journeys also sells Uggs. You can find Uggs pretty much anywhere, and you could find Tim's almost anywhere as well. My so far every single shoe I've shown you, like someone's gotten me. So these next pair of boots hold a very dear place to my heart, because these were also gifted to me by my boyfriend, and they are these suede burgundy heeled little booties. I got these from Journeys as well. And the funny part is, because we were at the mall and I was actually at work, and then he came during my lunch break, and we went around the mall and we did some shopping, and we were in Journeys, and I tried these shoes on because I thought they were so cute. And he's like, do you want them? I was like, yeah, I want them, but obviously, you know, I don't have the funds right now, so I can't get them. And he got them for me. So these are what they look like. They are, oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. Like, I'm never getting rid of these. They are so soft. They are actually really, even though they're heeled, it's like a chunkier heel. I'm not gonna show you the bottom because they're kind of dirty, but it's like a chunkier heel, and they're so like, yo, these are so beautiful. They're made very, very nicely. I don't know if there's a brand for them, but oh, Madden Girl. So Steve Madden. These are Madden Girl boots, and they just look like that. Like, aren't these, they're just so cute, and they kind of match my lipstick. So for my next pair of boots, I actually got these off of, it was either Shoedazzle or what's the other one, JustFab. I'm leaning a little bit closer to Shoedazzle. I lied. These are from JustFab. I got them about 3-4 years ago as well. They have a lot going on. They have the straps, the buckle that goes across like this. I wore them to school actually once, and they were actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, they pretty much look like this. Like, there's not much to say on them. They're just like your regular pair of booties, just with a little, you know, spice. Kind of like combat boots, but with a little bit more, you know, sass, a little bit more sexy. So they're these boots. So my next pair of boots are from the website MissLola. Well, it was originally Lola Shoutique, but now they changed the name to like MissLola or whatever. And I got these boots for my 21st birthday. For my 21st birthday fit. It was really, really cute, but whatever. So I got these boots pretty much for that. And honestly, these are one of my favorite pair of boots. And if you don't have a pair of, you know, thigh-high boots yourself, you need to get some, because you're really missing out on the slayage that thigh-high boots give you. So mine are look like this. They're long, honey, like long, honey. Like I said, I got these, I'm turning 23 next month, so yeah, I've had these for about 2 years. They also have the crisscross laces in the back and zippers on the side. These are actually extremely comfortable, not gonna lie. They're really comfortable. They do stay up. Currently right now, they don't fit me as well as they did then, because I have gained a little bit of weight, and especially in my legs. And back then I already had a problem with like legs fitting around my thighs. I said legs fitting around my thighs. Did I really just say that? Legs fitting around my thighs. Anyways, I had a problem with boots fitting around my thighs. So these ones I liked because they had the laces in the back that you could like loosen up and tighten to fit around your leg. So please comment down below, are what company sells boots, you know, for us thicker sisters, you know, boots that can actually, like, if it's over the knee, it actually can get over the knee. I would really appreciate, you know, y'all telling me that, so at least I can get a pair of boots for this winter, you know, that actually fit until I get these to fit. But overall, if you need a pair of thigh-high boots, I highly recommend these. Like, I don't know if they still sell them, but if I can find them, I will also link that down in the description box as well. If you know me, I have worn the crap out of these boots by now. I have worn them, I think these are like 4 to 5 year type of boots. So they look like these. These are from Shoedazzle. You know, that whole, like, your first purchase, you spend like $10. Was it $10? Like, you get 2 shoes for like, no, 2 shoes for like 40 bucks. I know they say like get your first pair of shoes for like $9.99, something like that. Nah. I don't know if that's, I don't remember if that was the entire case, but oh well. So these ones right here are from Shoedazzle. They are all black pair of booties with gold hardware. As you can see, they got belt buckles on both sides as well as in the center. I love these boots. These are the boots that I could wear for hours and not have my feet in pain. I'm the type of person that I can only wear heels for literally a short amount of time. When I say a short amount of time, like a very, 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 very short amount of time. So when I wear these, like, yo, I can dance with these. Like, I prefer to wear these out to the club or something over any type of heel any day. Because, you know, some clubs have this rule, like, you know, only heels allowed. Well, these are heels, but they're boots as well, and they're comfortable. So, once again, I'm not sure if they have this in stock. I had these for a very long time, but I'm pretty sure you can find boots like this absolutely anywhere. So, and then my last pair of boots I actually recently got. When I say recently got, like literally last week, even though I put the order like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, but whatever. So I got a pair of boots from FashionOVA. These boots were technically supposed to come before Halloween because they were supposed to go with my Halloween outfit. But let me tell you, it did not come anywhere near Halloween. Yeah, FashionOVA and right now we have a bit of a problem, but I guess we'll let it slide. Maybe. I was gonna return them because, like I said, they were meant for technically a Halloween outfit. But when I saw them, I was like, okay, you could stay. Why not? Because, like, really, why not? And who got time to go and pay for shipping? Like, I gotta pay to return my boots to you? Like, no thank you. So there are these pair of gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, not gonna lie, these look gorgeous. These high, tall pair of booties, like I said, they're from FashionOVA. They have silver zippers in the back. Little fun fact, I like silver a whole lot more than I like gold for some reason. I don't know, I get told I'm weird for that, but I just prefer silver over gold. Tell me if you're the same, because yeah, I'm more of a silver girl than a gold girl, but whatever. So I got these right here. I haven't worn them yet. I don't know if they're comfortable, but I do know they are essential for fall. These would be one of those boots you wear with like an all black fit, like black leggings. Oh, definitely black leggings. If not black leggings, black jeans, black jeggings, something along those lines with a nice like crop top, like black crop top. Like, I'm wearing this with an all black fit. I'm just telling you right now, I'm about to stunt, honey, because these just say like I'm here and I'm ready to slay. I'm here, look at me, I'm here. That's what these pair of boots say. They say I'm here, you know. Like, walk into a room and be like, yes, I have arrived. Once I find an outfit to rock this with, which I'm pretty sure I can come up with in my head very soon, But once I rock an outfit in these, you will definitely see them on my Instagram. My Instagram is at StyleByLiyah, just like it is here on, what is this? Just like it is here on YouTube, as well as it is on Twitter. And also make sure to check out my website, www.StyleByLiyah.com. You know, gotta add that little promo at the end, so. And yeah, I think that's all my boots that I have to show you. So, oh, so Vlogmas this year. I've never done Vlogmas before. I tried to do it last year. Let's just say I did not make it past. Let's just say I did not make it past the first day. So I'm thinking of maybe instead of vlogs for Vlogmas, I'm gonna try to do 25 videos. And the reason why I'm doing quotations is because I have a hard time even getting one video out. So 25 videos is going to be a little bit hard. So what I'm going to try to do is to do half of that at least. I'm going to try to do 12 to 13 videos in the month of December. And the reason why I'm saying it is because I want to hold myself accountable to make sure I do 12 to 13 videos in the month of December. So maybe you might get a vlog or two. If not, you most likely will get vlogs in the Babe and Bae vlogs. If you don't know what that is, Babe and Bae is mine and my boyfriend's vlog channel here on YouTube. I will leave a link up here, and it's always down in the description box as well. So please make sure to go check it out and subscribe as well. And so yeah, my goal right now is to start knocking out videos left and right. I just recently got a new job that I'm going to be working full-time at. So how I'm going to balance the two of these, I don't know, but I know I really do enjoy making these videos, and I try my best to put as much hard work into every single video I put out and to not just blatantly throw a random video out. I think that's all I have to say for today. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Like I said, if you're someone who is subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are a new subscriber as well, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what you would like to see from me next. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.